Welcome back. It's your friendly neighborhood tech guy here, and today we are going to be looking at Google Chrome extensions Talk and Comment. So you'll see I'm already here at the Chrome Web Store. In the search, I'm going to type in Talk and Comment, and this is the first one that I'm going to be looking for right here, where I can take audio notes anywhere. So I'm going to click on that to open it up. As we went over in the first video on this playlist, we are going to add this to Chrome. It's going to make sure that that's the one I want. I'm going to click on Add Extension. Now, the first time you add this extension, you may be asked to allow this access to your microphone. So make sure you click Allow. Right here, we got the message that it has been added, but you'll see it disappeared. Well, Talk and Comment is one that I use a lot. So I'm going to click on the puzzle piece for extensions. I'm going to come down and find Talk and Comment, and I'm going to click this pin. And you notice once I click the pin, it pops up right here. So now that is always going to be visible wherever I'm at. So now we're going to use Talk and Comment. First, we are going to use it with forms. So I'm going to go to forms.new so that I can open up a new Google form. And you'll see on my page here that I have this icon right here that matches my extension. So I'm going to click on this to open up the voice recording. You'll see when this opens up here, it starts recording automatically. So I can include any sort of directions that I'd like for this Google form. Once I'm done recording, I'm going to click the check mark. And you'll see this populates a URL right here with voice note in parentheses. Now, the really neat thing about this is I can go in between these parentheses and I can type whatever I want. So I can type out what I said, or I can just make it another note. So here I would say testing, talk, and comment. Now I'm going to highlight this entire bar. I'm going to copy it with Control C. I'm going to click OK. And right here for the question, I'm going to paste it. I'm going to hit Control V. Now you see it just pasted the URL with my stuff there. But when we publish this form, and I'm going to come up here to the eyeball that we covered in our Google Forms tutorial to preview it. And when I click on it, this is what your kiddos are going to see. What you typed in the parentheses, and all they have to do is click. Okay. And now they have access to your voice recording. This extension can work on any website that you post to. It can work on any Google Docs, slides. The only thing I would caution is when we do Docs, so docs.new, you'll see when this loads up, I'm going to have access to my Talk and Comment extension again. See, it pops up there. So now, click on it, you're going to see that it's recording again, just like it did with Forms. I'm going to say I'm done. We're going to highlight the entire bar again, Control C, hit OK, Control V to paste. Now you'll see it, because there's no published form of this, they're not going to get that little gray circle with the play button in it. But what we can do is attach this like we would anything else. We can highlight the words, we can click on link, And we can put the link right in there so that when they click on it, now they have the option to play it. This has been a really handy extension, especially if you have some kiddos that might struggle with reading. They can play the directions right there for it. And it really offers other avenues for even your kiddos to demonstrate their understanding by recording their own comments and sharing it with you that way. Hope this helps and hope you guys find more inventive ways to use this in the future.